record.
Hello, fellow Mustangs. We are undergraduate and graduate students at SMU. My name is Kyle Spencer.
I'm Juliana Dinkle.
I'm Christine Hensley.
I'm Ashley Montgomery.
I'm Siddhakshi Solanki.
And we are here today to tell you that we have a solution that will help mitigate the spread of COVID-19 on campus. And in order to do this, we had to start by first identifying the major issues of COVID-19.
One major issue our team identified and wanted to focus on was the use of physical ID cards at certain hotspots around campus and the potential for COVID-19 transmission through this high contact surface. When you think about all the places your card has been, the dining halls right before you eat, on tabletops, checking out a library book, and how many times it has exchanged hands, you realize that cards are germ transporting vessels. We know the novel coronavirus remains viable in plastic up to 72 hours after it's applied, and card germ scores are significantly higher on cards than other high contact surfaces, including cash, doorknobs, and even urinals on the New York City subway bathrooms, which is shocking and really demonstrative of just how important it is to tackle this problem. This is a campus map with several locations marked where there's a high rate of ID transmissions. This map includes Arnold and Lee dining halls, Fondren Library, the Hughes Trigg Student Center, as well as many other locations where ID cards exchange hands. So you can really visualize the magnitude of this transmission issue on a college campus.
So our idea is to develop an app that creates a mobile student ID system that can be used for transactions across campus. First, we assess the mobile tools that we already have. The two figures on the slide show the SMU Athletics app, which is used for tickets to SMU Athletics games, and the Connect.SMU Pass, which is used to track attendance at on-campus events. For each of these passes, you log in with your SMU ID and receive a student-specific QR code. After discussing with SMU OIT, we discovered that this app is also connecting with PeopleSoft, which is the program that controls all SMU financials. The next step is where on campus we're going to implement this technology. We chose to include all places where students use IDs for transactions across campus. This includes locations such as the dining halls, Max Place, Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, the Student Center, and the SMU bookstore. At each of these locations, a simple contactless QR code scanner, which costs about $45, will be installed. The second function of this app will be a contact tracing function. This is a really important tool in reducing the transmission of diseases, and it can be done relatively easily through our system. The app will record data of each scan, including the time code, location, and send it to SMU. Then if a student is diagnosed with coronavirus, SMU can easily see where that student was on campus and who else was there at the same time. This app will then reduce coronavirus transmission on campus, as well as increasing convenience.
One of our inspirations for our project came from Clemson University's development of their own app and software to offer mobile IDs, since their app development mirrors exactly what our team wants to accomplish at SMU. Throughout our project research, our team was actually able to get into contact with Tanner Stokes and Sam Hoover, who are both members on Clemson's mobile innovation team and who actually helped to design Clemson's app. Both team members offered support by offering to further walk us through the technical details of Clemson's app development process and offered to help with our future app development.
We have leveraged our relationships with key SMU community members. We have been in constant contact with Dr. Jennifer Culver, who's the Academic Technology Service Director here at SMU. She loves our idea and is in full support of working with us to make this app an SMU reality. We have also been communicating with Dr. Culver's partner, Dr. Eric Godart, who is familiar with the very specific technical nuances at SMU that we would need to better understand our app. Finally, we discussed our idea with the newly elected student body president, Molly Patrick, who claimed our idea was genius. As a team, we also reached out to various SMU students to get their thoughts on the idea and received overwhelming support. Because we want to extend our back to the surrounding community, we will use this opportunity to also target local businesses to advertise to the SMU population within our app. This will include coupons and partnerships with these businesses to help increase their revenue while also encouraging SMU students to use their contactless IDs.
So what does it look like to implement our app on campus? Our team will use the months of May and June to design the app and connect with local community businesses. By mid-July, we plan to have the initial app finalized and we'll do beta testing in order to identify errors. And by the time students and faculty return to campus, we will have the app ready to use. In conclusion, our team is honored to implement a solution that will help mitigate the spread of COVID-19 on campus. Thank you for taking the time to listen to us, and we will see you back on the hilltop in August.